In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix vidIQ views per hour not showing on your YouTube channel. If you're a content creator, you know how important it is to keep track of your views and analytics. vidIQ is a fantastic tool that helps you do just that, but occasionally you might run into some issues where the views per hour metric isn't displaying as expected. Let's go through some simple steps to resolve this issue. First, open your web browser and head over to YouTube. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, make sure you're logged into the account linked to your vidIQ tool. This step is crucial as vidIQ needs access to your YouTube channel data to function correctly. After you've logged in, look towards the upper part of your YouTube channel interface. Here, you should see various analytics and statuses provided by vidIQ. It's usually located around the top bar or on the side panel depending on your customizations. If everything is working smoothly, you should see a range of data, including the views per hour metric. However, if you notice that the views per hour data isn't showing up, don't worry. The first thing you should try is simply refreshing your YouTube tab. Sometimes the data doesn't load correctly on the first try, and a quick refresh can solve the problem. Hit that refresh button on your browser and give it a moment to reload the page. If refreshing doesn't do the trick, there's another quick step you can take. Try logging out of your YouTube account and then logging back in. This action can sometimes reset the connection between YouTube and vidIQ, allowing the tool to access your data properly. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, select Sign Out, and then sign back in with your credentials. Remember, it's important to ensure that your vidIQ extension is up to date. Outdated extensions can sometimes cause functionality issues, including problems with data display. Check your browser's extension settings and update vidIQ if necessary. In most cases, these simple steps should resolve the issue. However, if you still find that the views per hour metric isn't showing, consider reaching out to vidIQ support for further assistance. They can offer more tailored support for your specific situation. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing the vidIQ views per hour display issue. Keeping your analytics up to date is essential for monitoring your channel's performance, so it's great to have these troubleshooting steps ready when needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos like this one.